Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Magical Elixir for Smokers. Cleanse your lungs instantly. Smoking is hands down as addictive as it is toxic. If you are a regular smoker, you probably might have already tried to quit smoking by now. So what can we do to control our urges and at the same time detoxify our body of all the harmful toxins that has accumulated over time? That's why I have decided to present you a natural recipe that can help you give up smoking instantly. It can also be used as a syrup against coughing. It's very healthy, natural lung detox recipe. In case you have thought that you will probably never give up smoking, this recipe will reassure you and help you do that. The terrible habit will be gone for good. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 5 tablespoons of honey, organic or to taste, 400 grams of roughly chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of ginger, freshly grated, 2 tablespoons of turmeric, freshly grated. Instructions: take a saucepan where you will put the water, put it on the stove on medium heat, then add the turmeric, ginger and onion in it. Before it starts to boil, you should reduce the heat to low. Leave the mixture to simmer well. When the liquid is reduced to half, take it away from the stove. It should cool down. Make sure you add the honey in cooled liquids, since it can keep all of its beneficial nutrients. Stir well. Keep the mixture in a glass jar, close with a lid. You can put it in the fridge when it is cooled completely. You should take 2 tablespoons of this mixture in the morning before breakfast and 2 in the evening, approximately 2 hours after you have had your last meal. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.